So we are here now sa Baywalk, and this is the signage for Baywalk, C. Pangasinan. So in C. Pangasinan signage, dito nag-uumpisa yung jogging area. Ito yung camping area. Oh. Marami na rin umuwi. Marami silang camping site. Ayan, so maganda dito kasi sa lapad ng beach, marami kang gagawin. Parking area din to dito and camping site. And yung beach nila ay super lapad ng kanilang Baywalk bago ka po makarating sa dagat. So ayan, ito yung palatandaan nyo. Then sobrang haba niyan, papunta yan doon sa right side and on the left side. Okay, and the dagat is there. I think the sea is very calm. Can we see before we go?
Sure.
Okay. So may kasama ko. Ito yung football field yata na training. Silipin namin dagat kasi mamayang hapon pa kami maligo. Sana mamayang hapon calm. The sea is calm. And here may mga tent dito. Dito sila natulog. So, ganyan siya kalapad, guys. Sobrang lapad niya. Sobrang lawak. Kahit pa 10-20 kayo dito mag-tent, it's okay.
No limits.
Oh, yan lang. So, medyo ano pa rin. It's okay. Marami namang ba't parang wala pang naligo? Malamig kasi. So yan, ganyan. Ayan. Ayan. So parang ano siya, parang moon. Si Sun, kaka-cover lang sa kanya ni Moon kanina kasi solar eclipse. But hindi ka natin masilayan sa Pilipinas. So,
The moon proposed to sun.
yeah. So, kanina nag-married sila. Yung anak nila si Venus. So, yan. That's the sea. Medyo wala pang naligo kasi malamig pa eh. Ayan. So, I hope later in the afternoon, we can go for... It looks calm. Yeah, when you get closer, this is the beach. I think the tide is high because katapos lang ng eclipse and the moon, hinihila niya yung ano ng dagat. Yeah. My God, the sun's so good. Okay, so later, in the afternoon, ang daming tao dito. Konti lang tao ngayon kasi hindi lumabas dahil eclipse. So yan, this is the beauty of Baywalk, Pangasinan. So come here. You can come here, have a camping with kids and family. My gosh, no overcrowding here. Pero by May, mag-overcrowding na siya because of Fiestang Dagat. We will do camping here. When I come back, I will bring tent. So when I come back, it's camping time. Just by Saturday, no? We can go camp in the sea, near the sea. Or here, banda dito. So when we wake up, it's dagat na. Okay, we'll go to Limahong. And I'll vlog also Limahong. So yan, nagdadagat na sila. Okay, jogging marathon.